of Burke. What really sets CGMA apart from the other schools that I've been to is the custom feedback and the live Q&A. The teacher is actually present to answer your questions and to help you improve the piece that you're doing for the homework assignment. It's really amazing.
My name is James Martin, and I'm from here in Burbank, but I've been taking classes when I was out in Kansas. Being out in the Midwest, it was hard to figure out like what the artists were actually doing to accomplish these goals, and it's really simple. You just have to have somebody show you, and that's what CGMA gave me.
My name is Peter, and I'm from Australia. CGMA had a lot of professionals, and that was what I was really after, that professional advice that I could really hone in on and get that critique and like improve my skills, because I didn't feel that I was getting it anywhere else.
My name is Krista Voda. I'm a concept artist over at Blizzard Entertainment. I learned a lot from CGMA classes. The classes were taught by industry professionals, so I definitely learned a lot from them. Some of the classes I've taken were like digital painting, environment design, and those are the classes and skills that I'm currently doing today at my job, at work.
My name is Brooke Jarrah, and I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. What's been different about CGMA is, even though it is online, you still can post your work in progress and get feedback from the students around you, and being around people that are equally as passionate and driven as you are, and people that live in other countries are still able to have the same opportunities as people here, and it's just so cool to see everyone come together. Yeah, I'd absolutely recommend CGMA to anyone that's interested in pursuing a career in illustration or concept art, or I know they just came out with the 3D program, so yeah, anyone that's interested in that, I'd highly recommend it.